In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Messenger. So this is a really simple thing to do, guys. The first thing we need to do is head over to our Messenger app. Once we open up Messenger here, we can then click on the three lines in the top left hand corner. And then now we need to click on the settings icon. And then once we click on settings, what we can do is we need to scroll all the way down towards the bottom and then click on account settings. Once we click on account settings, you need to select personal information. And then as you can see, there will now be an option for name. If we click on that, that will allow you to change obviously your first, middle name and last name. So you can go ahead and put in whatever you want. So if I just want to put in something like this, all I simply need to do then is click on the review change button. And then as you can see, this is how your profile will then be seen. And then if you're happy with that, you can then click on save changes. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.